Hello everyone, so today I will show you a quick demo and review of BetterPic.io. So BetterPic.io is a AI headshot generator, and as you can see right here, you could pick from 150 plus styles, which is done in less than an hour, and you could also customize with AI or human editors. So just simply click on the link below in the description so that you could be redirected here on their website. So once you're here on the website, you just simply need to click on get started here on the top right or get your headshots now to create your account. So I've already created mine, so you just simply need to create yours. And once you've already created, you'll be brought right here to pick your background. So let's say I want a studio background. Then after that, you will need to pick your clothing style. So let's say I want to get a Christmas style or clothing style right here. So I'm going to pick this Christmas. And next is choose your clothing color. So let's say we're going to go with either navy blue or this color right here. Since it's Christmas themed, so I'm going to go with this, which is a reddish color. So I'm going to click on save style. And once you're there, you will be brought here on this page or section, which is that you could choose up to 3 styles of the one that we did earlier. So what I did is a studio background and Christmas and burgundy color. So you could add more if you want, but for me, I'm going to stick with this style. Then after that, just simply click on continue and you will be brought here on the upload photos section, and there's also an image guide for you to follow. So as you can see, please take some time to review or guide below as it will directly affect your the quality or your portfolio quality. And as you can see, the photos that work best are selfies that are taken on the spot and also existing gallery photos of yourself. As you can see right here, these are the do's and don'ts. So many close-ups and one waist up. So these are the do's. So looking directly at the camera, smiling, good quality and lighting and recent pics. And next, the don'ts are avoid nudity, underwear, or swimsuits, no funny expressions, and no heavy filters, makeup, or AI pics. And as you can see right here at the bottom, you could also upload group photos or wider shots and crop them to your liking. So keep one person and preserve image quality. So you could crop it to whatever you want. So let's say you want to use a photo, but that photo is in a group photo. So what you can do is just simply crop it. But for me, I already have some pictures. So just simply click on ready to upload right here. So to start uploading photos, as you can see, you could upload from your computer or scan the QR code to access your mobile device or star your primary image. So we know which one to base your semblance most on, and you can crop group or longer shots to fit. Just ensure that only one person is visible and the quality is good. So if you have pictures ready on your computer, you can just simply upload it right here by clicking on this upload photo button. Or if you want to access it from your mobile device, you just simply need to scan the QR code right here. So for me, I'm just going to upload from my computer. So you could select the upload photo right here, or just simply pick the ones right here. So if you want to do the waist up, click on the waist up, then pick from your photos right there. And if you want to do the close up, you click on the close up right here, then upload your photos. And now as you can see, I'm using a photo of a celebrity, and as you upload your photo, it will have a feedback from BetterPic AI. So as you can see right here, the photo sharpness is good, the photo brightness is good, and the photo quality is good, or it's 82%, and average quality of all my pictures is 90%. If I go click on next right here, it will show the evaluation on this photo. So it says a tip for that a smile would make your photo even better. And right here is good. So the photo quality is 98%. For this one, it is also good, 94. And for this one, it says that you need to try to look straight at the camera. So it also has some feedbacks right here, which is great. So you will need to upload all of the 8 photos to now generate or continue to the next part. So once you're done uploading all of it, you just simply need to click on generate right here at the bottom, then wait for it to load. Now, once you're here, it will see the AI label analysis. So it says that they've analyzed your photos and you will need to confirm or adjust the following details to ensure the best possible results. So as you can see right here, you can select the most appropriate option. So the AI detected brown hair, but you could select what you want. For the next one is the select the most appropriate option. AI detected medium hair, so they set it to medium hair. So you could set it to whatever you want right here. You could go with long hair, bald, short hair, whatever works for you or whatever you want. But for me, I'm good with this. So I'm just gonna simply select next. Then you will need to select the body analysis. So as you can see right here, the AI detected average body. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. And as you can see, you could select with no glasses, with glasses, or with sunglasses if you want. But for me, I'm gonna go with no glasses, and I'm going to confirm and continue. And you just simply need to wait. As you can see, it's processing the order, and now the order is confirmed, and it will redirect you to the order right here. Now we should just simply wait for the AI to be finished, and or to be for the AI to finish generating your headshots. And as you can see right here, after a few minutes, my photos are now done, and just simply click on the view button to view all of your photos, and this will pop up. It says what to expect before you see your results. So just like on a photo shoot, you will have some favorites and some you like less. So expect to receive 3 to 10 you love, or expect a few that you won't use. So not exactly your vibe, tiny missed details, and uncanny expression or pose, but for the ones that you will expect to receive, it should be with the right expression, the ideal style and background, and which matches your vibe completely. So now I understand. Take me to my headshots. And as you can see right here, welcome to your photo shoot. When you expand a photo, you get the options to like, dislike, and share with a gesture. So click on next. Like the photo, swipe or drag to right, and if you dislike it, you will need to swipe or drag to left. Next, your favorites in one place, so you can find all your liked photos by filtering your favorites right here. So there are filters to see all of your favorites or liked photos, and request an AI edit. So if you like this but you want to change your request and edit, or if you want to change something on the picture, you can do the AI edit right here. So as you can see, these are the pictures, so you can drag left or right if you like it. But this is the first one. So let's say I don't like this one, so I'm gonna go left. For this one, I like it, so I'm gonna go right. And you can do this with all pictures, or you could just simply go out of this overview right here. And if you want to check all of the liked pictures, just simply filter out by clicking on favorites right here. It was just like that. And if you don't want to do that, just simply click on it again. And view more. As you can see, these are all the pictures that were generated, and there are a total of 59 pictures right here. So if you want to view it all, just simply click on view all, and here are all the pictures that has been generated, just like that. So as you can see, the pictures are very amazing. So it has a pretty decent AI, or the AI generated headshot. So it's pretty good, it's pretty decent. And if you want to fix something, so let's say, gonna go back right here and let's find picture. So let's say for this one, you want to remove your beard. You could do that by going to the AI edit right here. So simply click on that BP AI edit. Then once you're there, just select the options that you want to edit. So clothing, background, magic fix, magic eraser, expand, skin corrector, or human edit. So let's say human edit right here. Then as you can see, request a human edit to get the final touches you want. So you can select an area below, and or you can add extra details in the prompt box. Select the part that you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit my skin, or maybe something like the accessories right here. So let's say I want to remove my headwear. So let's say I want to remove my headwear. So let's say remove headwear, something like that. Then you just simply need to click on generate photos right here. Then photos are being generated. You just simply need to wait. And that's basically why BetterPic AI is better than other tools or other AI headshot generator out there, since it has this AI edits right here, which you can change whatever you want on your headshots. And here are also the pricing for BetterPic. So for the basic plan, it's $35 for one person. So what these includes 20 headshots, one style, ready in 2 hours, support in 48 hours, 2 AI edits, and commercial license. For the Pro one, it's $39, and also for one person, so 60 headshots, 3 styles, ready in 1.5 hours, support in 24 hours for AI edits and commercial license. And for the expert one, it's $79, and it has 120 headshots, 6 styles, ready in 1 hour, support in 12 hours, 8 AI edits, unlimited human edits in 1 photo, 1 free redo, and commercial license also. So don't forget to click on the link in the description to access the BetterPic website. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share it to someone who might find this video helpful. And that's basically it. I'll see you on the next one.